Hi, we're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at a Husqvarna YTH21546 lawn tractor. This lawn tractor does come with a 21.5 Husqvarna LCT engine, as well as our LED front lights. This mower does have a 46-inch stamped reinforced steel cutting deck. This cutting deck has easy cleaning due to spout. There is a seamless hydrostatic transmission, as well as a quick blade engagement on this mower. We have a 6-position cutting deck system. There are pedals to operate our cutting deck. This mower comes with a low back seat, as well as anti-scalp back wheels. We have a cup holder. This mower comes with a plastic chute. We have an ergonomic steering system with our controls. We have our throttle, ignition, hour meter, lock system, our pedals. This mower does come with a reverse operating system, as well as an automatic safety shutoff. Once again, this is a Husqvarna YTH21546 lawn tractor. If you are interested in this mower, any other mower we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.